What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Today is 28th August 2025, local time 4:45 a.m. I am here with Tesla. I will be analyzing it. And if you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. Okay, let's start the analysis. So I'm going to be explaining you the points where I will try to discuss where buying can come and why it can, as I said right last week as well, that like I've been telling you that it's going to do 390, 390. So now, say someone has missed the entries here, somebody has missed the entry here, wherever, right? And now they want to enter. So what's the plan for it? So I'm going to be discussing that. One more thing is that I watched this. Okay, Tesla 20th August. I explained how to invest money in Tesla very wisely. Okay, so you see these arrows. I've pinpointed every single entry here, so you can go ahead and it is working as per that plan. Go and check it out. Okay, now let me discuss what can we do here. So first things first, if I do go on monthly time frame, I've switched the time frame to monthly. Clearly it is working out from this demand zone. Okay, and this demand zone is actually working out from this is working out from this. Okay, you can go and check it out in the other Tesla analysis. I've explained all this very very clearly. Now if I go on weekly time frame, I'll move this here. I've explained this, but I'm going to do it really quick here as well. If you want to, again, if you want to go into deep analysis, you can watch that video out. So everything here on weekly time frame is tested. Tested means that price has gone into a supply zone, picked up the selling pending orders, and then came down. So once price has picked up the selling orders from a supply zone, that means that this supply zone is not that powerful anymore logically. Because say, let's discuss it with an example. So say if there are, say, 10,000 selling orders, I'm just using a random number. So if in this supply zone there are 10,000 selling orders, okay, for Tesla, so if price goes in and picks up 5,000, now remaining 5,000 are still here. This is just, we are discussing an example. Okay, so now price comes down, picking up the 5,000 selling orders, but now 5,000 are still here in this supply zone. So what if price goes up and the buying here is worth 20,000 buying orders? Then these 20,000 buying orders will get triggered with this remaining 5,000, and prices will go up. Okay, so this is how it works. But right now you need to understand everything on weekly time frame, daily time frame is tested till here. Everything is weak. Okay, weak means we have an expectation that price can go up. I told you, right? It can go up from here as well. But price is slowly narrowing its range, and it is forming a way, a pathway to go up. Simple as that. Now, if you have missed an entry and you're trying to enter at current market price, which is 348, as you can see, pre-market is showing you 348.88. Okay, where can you do that? Simple. If you're entering at current market price, you need to understand this, that there is always a risk that at current market price it's an expectation. So there is always a risk that what if it comes down, then what's your backup plan? Because you need to have a plan. If it goes down, what will you do? And I've been telling you, like, if you have missed the 280 levels, the first entry was at 280, which most of you would have missed it. Now, what to do? If you'll go on daily time frame, right now I've kept the chart very very clean, but if I start drawing lines on it, you will see a lot of things. Okay, so I will start that now to show it to you. So this is your resistance here, this is your resistance here, right? One, two, three, and it can fall from here as well. And if I try to draw a line like this, it will make you a triangle, right? And it is narrowing its range. I don't trade all this, but I'm just showing you. Okay, and if I move this line down here, then also it's going to make a triangle. So these are subjective, and you can move it wherever you want. That is not the whole point. Okay, now the whole point here is, I know there is no power here, it can break very well, I know that, but what if it doesn't break? So if you are entering here at 348 ish, 348, 49, whatever, 50, 45, I don't really care. So you cannot manage your risk. So what I would suggest you is, like, what I would have done is that I would have gone with, say, 20% of my capital here, with an understanding that definitely it can come down here, and it has missed this level. This was not even a level, it breached through. Okay, and then it, I wanted it to come here, then entries would have been perfect, but it never came here. But it started forming new levels, which again, I'm expecting price to come here. It can still come here. What if, okay, it can come here and then go up. Okay, but you need to understand this, what if it doesn't come here? Then you will miss the 390 rally, right? So to have that plan, just to have that, enjoy that rally, people were trying to enter here. If you, I don't know what is, see, your capital is different than mine. Mine is different than yours, and that's how this is, right? So the thing is, you can like, what I would have done, what I usually do on breakout is I do not trade options at all on breakout, because breakout is an expectation. So don't try to be over smart and try to use your brain, because if it comes down, then you need to understand that, okay, I will add more stuff here, like stocks or whatever. I would always recommend, always go along with stocks. And I'm telling you, this is not the end of the world. If you will miss this, no problem. Okay, but if it comes down here, you will get a better risk to reward ratio if it comes down around 320. So manage your capital, manage your risk, and then trade. Do not follow nobody blindly. I'm telling you. If it comes down here, you will panic. And what I'm expecting, I'll tell you right away. Okay, if I have to go long, I would have gone long here with just 20% capital. That's it. Now, what I am expecting here is, yes, price can come down, and not with a full force selling, no. But what I am expecting is it will consolidate here. So what I'm thinking is, it will go like this, and it will narrow its range again. Okay, no, not like this. It will try to narrow like this. I'm expecting. I'm not like, it's an expectation, right? It will narrow its range here, so it can be 340, 335, whatever, right? It will try to narrow its range, and once it narrows its range perfectly, I'll understand that, okay, it is trying to go up. But trust me, it can go up from here as well. But this is an expectation, because everything on the left side is super duper weak. Okay, it can go up. Now, if I'll show this to you on weekly time frame, what do you want to make it? Cup and handle? Okay, make it a cup and handle. Here, this is your cup. Once it will go up, people will try to show you all kind of patterns like this. This is your cup. Now you will see it as a cup and handle, right? But understand, I have been I have taught this, like we were trading this live as well in the classes, and clearly now this is a cup and handle. Or do whatever, if it will form another handle like this, consolidate handle, how will the handle be formed? If it starts consolidating, then it will form another handle. But I don't care about these handles and cups. Okay, I'm just telling you that if it goes up, yes, it can go up, because everything on every single time frame is tested, and monthly it needs to rally till here. Simple as that. First halt should be here, so a trader should know when to enter, when to exit, what is my stop loss level. So if you're not aware about all these terms, then trading is not for you. Okay, the thing is, you need to protect your capital at every single point. Simple as that. Because you're trading with, trust me, one of the most smartest people in the world. Okay, and market is not that great right now. A pullback can come. That is why I'm just trying to make a plan for people who have not entered. And I might enter I have multiple accounts. I might enter uh, few stocks only and only with 20% capital. That's it. Okay, I don't care about the number of stocks. If you do understand this, even from here, I don't care, 343, 4, 5, whatever, right? 349. you will still get 385 ish, which is again 10-12% move. Okay. But if it starts consolidating and you have borrowed money, it's going to be a big problem. We'll keep it short, sweet, and yeah, that is what I'm expecting. And I will definitely try to add more here if it comes. If not, bye bye. I don't care. Okay, I have enough stocks to enjoy the rally, and only stocks I have, no options. All right. Don't forget to follow me, the Chartist. Okay, I'm right here. Don't forget to follow me if you did like the analysis. Take care, trade safely, wisely. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.